Prosecutors and defense attorneys both rest their cases in the federal bank fraud trial of Bart Reagor. It's good to see you all again. I'm Brian Mudd.
I'm Lauren Motter. Just 2 days of testimony for the jury to think about. KAMC's Laura Laughead is in Amarillo covering the trial for us. And Laura, the jury begins deliberating tomorrow morning.
Yeah, Lauren and Ryan, things certainly heating up in the courtroom today, and we could now be getting a verdict as early as tomorrow afternoon. During big parts of today, Bart Reagor looking visibly stressed in the courtroom as both sides had a lot of ground to cover. This morning starting off with a surprise as Reagor's defense team announcing they would not be calling Rick Dykes to the stand to testify on Reagor's behalf. Twice today, the defense team asking the judge for an acquittal for Reagor. The first for an acquittal for the charge of making false statements to a bank, and then later for all charges. Both were denied by the court. Prosecution had their last 3 witnesses testify today too, and at first we heard from a former director at Reagor Dykes who is also Rick Dykes' first cousin, along with a former CPA turned fraud investigator. Finally, the prosecution called former FBI agent John Whitworth to the stand. He led the investigation into Reagor Dykes and specialized in fraud and white-collar crimes. He said he traced the $1.7 million from the working capital loan and found it in Reagor's personal accounts. He said the money was spent in a matter of weeks on things like home renovations for his mansion on 19th Street, personal investments, gift to his children, and a monthly allowance to his wife. The prosecution rested, and then the defense team called their witnesses to testify, starting with 2 expert witnesses, a law professor at A&M and former attorney, along with a banker of more than 30 years who has worked on Wall Street and Los Angeles. Both of them saying the loan agreement did not adequately define what working capital was, and there was not specific language in the loan agreement that barred Reagor and Dykes from using that money to reimburse themselves for personal funds they had previously put into the company. I do note neither of these witnesses has ever provided financial advice to Reagor or Dykes, and under oath, both of them said they do not believe Reagor has done anything wrong by diverting money from the loan into his personal accounts as a reimbursement, and he could do with that money however he liked. The defense finally calling Reagor's CPA to the stand and then resting for the afternoon. Closing arguments are set for tomorrow morning at 8, and after that, the case will be sent to the jury. As always, we'll keep you updated with any new information as it breaks right here on KAMC News and on our website, everythinglubbock.com. Reporting from Amarillo, I'm Laura Laughead, KAMC News.